creative thinking techniques for generating multiple alternative concept maps. A concept map is a creative thinking technique which allows for an individual or team to conceptualize what is usually an existing idea through graphically making connections between related concepts. This is achieved through having a main idea at either the top or center of the concept map, with related concepts visibly branching out from the initial idea, then making their own branches with their own related concepts. The end result will display possibly a map or tree-like illustration with the connections between the concepts for the related project. So what we're saying here, and I might actually show a very distinct format to kind of differentiate it from a mind map. We'll start off with our main concept at the top. Okay, and then our main concept will have its own related ideas. These are the key concepts that relate to that main idea. And then from these key concepts, they've got their own related ideas. So pretty much as of right now, although it's not in a radial format, it's very similar to the logic of a mind map, except we're showing it in the top-down structure in order to make it look different. But it can also be displayed in a radial format too. Where a concept map differs is these key concepts and related ideas, they can also have relationships with each other and make more of a web with our lines. So related idea 2 might also relate to key concept 1. And related idea 3 might also relate to related idea 2. And related ideas 1 and 2 can be combined together and possibly make some sort of combined idea. Okay, so we've got different ways we can make connections between the related concepts. We're not always on one distinct path, which was the case with actual mind maps, all branching down their own avenues with no real crossing between the different branches. Okay, so that's what makes it distinct. The other element too is we usually have information guiding our lines as well in the case of a concept map, displaying how different things are related to one another. All right, so in following on from that, okay, a concept map differs from a mind map as concept maps usually illustrate an existing concept where there being a lot more crossover between these related concepts, showing how the different ideas relate in our sub-concepts, our related ideas in our key concepts, or related to that main idea. Concept maps may also be displayed radially, as we said, so like a mind map, but they have these extra connections, okay, going between the different branches, okay? They're not on those fixed paths. All right. Concept maps also a lot more freedom with their design. Okay. So things such as flowcharts and Venn diagrams, okay, although look drastically different to what's on screen, there also can be considered concept maps. Okay. So there is a lot more flexibility. So I know I've said they could have the main idea at the top or the center, but it can follow many different structures. But the key element with concept maps is the sub concepts can relate to each other. And that's kind of what distinguishes and makes it different from a mind map. So I hope that helps you in your understanding of what a concept map is and what its specific purpose is and how it differentiates from a mind map.